Mike Hughes here. I'm at Drycase, and I'm here with Ryan, and you're going to show us this new duffel bag?
Yeah, so this is our newest bag, just out this year. It's a 40-liter waterproof duffel bag. It's a roll-top closure that has a wet storage in the front for easy access for your wet stuff. You can see it's got the MOLLE webbing for all your attachment points all over the place. You can see D-rings and tie-downs all over this place again on the back. So it's a kind of a hybrid bag. You can throw it over your shoulder and use it as a duffel. You can also kind of turn it into a backpack with straps on the back.
Okay.
So you get two straps that come with it. So this is an extra storage up here. This whole front case opens up for storage. So these are the two straps that come with it.
Right.
As I said, you can put it kind of anywhere. Velcro closes the roll top, and then it clips down on the sides. Inside, you can see you got one big area, one big cell, 40 liters of storage. And what we do is kind of cool also is we put a purge valve on it. So after that's all rolled up, if you need to keep it compact and roll it down, press the air out, you don't have to open it up and kind of guess how much air you need to burp out of it. So you can kind of just pop that open and squeeze the air out.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, another cool feature is we have the ability to co-brand. So you can see this big open area on the back here. If you have a logo, you have a retail store, logo, any kind of sign you want to put on there, we can print on these bags.
This bag is mine.
This bag is mine. That works too. Santa, maybe.
All right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Bye-bye.